a line segment. So here our line segment is our line segment. This one is the line segment. Alright, so I want to bisect this line segment. Say from, alright, let's just bisect it. We have our canvas here, then we increase this one. So there we are. We make sure that it's firm. Alright, here we have mark here, then again come here, again, see later. Alright, come here, let it come down here. Alright, down there. It's going to behave in the way I wanted it. Good. Then I mark again this point. So this is the line segment we are going to bisect. To bisect, it means to divide it into two equal halves. So you decrease this span here slightly, but more than half the length of the line. Then you fix here. Now we need to have an arc here now, or a circle. You can use either an arc or a circle, whichever way you want. Then come again down here. And it down here, down. Good. Then here, another arc on this side. Then we change using the same span here. Again, you still need to create an arc here again. We move on above here. We create another arc. There we have our arcs. Next, we need a line. So this line from here straight to this other point is a perpendicular bisector of this line. If we are to call it line A, B here. So this line C to D is the perpendicular bisector of line AB. By perpendicular, it means the angle here, if you are to measure the angle here, it must be 90 degrees. That angle here, there, you see, exactly 90 degrees. So, meaning that we can represent an angle of 90 degrees by this one, that is the right angle here, right angle there, right angle there, as well as another right angle here. So that's all about bisecting a given line segment. Next, we need to construct a perpendicular to a line from a point. Construct a perpendicular from a given point to a line. So we are done with this. We clear. We have our line as usual. This one. So that line, we have a certain point somewhere here. That's our point, which we can label as P, or point P. So I want to construct a perpendicular line which passes through this point and again which is perpendicular to this line. So again, with our compass as usual, come to this point P, good, then move down here. It has to cross this one, so we unfix here. It has to cross this line, good. So I fix here. So I'm going to draw an arc, or an arc is part of a circle. Here, it cuts here, it goes there, it cuts there, fine. So with this now, I change here, I come here. I am now bisecting this line segment, or this chord, now bisecting this chord. So if this one more than half, so fine. So I can come here, down here, and create some arcs. And change to this part, to this point, another arc. Same done with the arcs. Line now, this line from here to this point. So this line is a perpendicular. If I am to label this one again as well as A to B. So this line P, this line starting at P, is a perpendicular bisector of AB, and again it passes through P, the perpendicular bisector of this straight line passing through this point P. So checking our course outline. So next again we need to construct what do we need to do? Perpendicular, to divide a line into proportional parts. Right, before we divide a line into proportional parts, we need to be able to construct a perpendicular line passing through a given point again on that line. This was a perpendicular passing to this line AB, but passing through point P, which is not on the line. What about if point P is on the line? Let us check again. So I'm going to clear this one. Have another line here. Alright. So on this line, I'm going to have point here, which I'm going to point P. Which is sort of here. That's point P. So what am I going to do? I'm going to construct the line, a perpendicular bisector of this line, but that perpendicular bisector must pass through point P. So I fix this. Right, let this get away. Then I have, right, I increase my span, say to here. I fix it. Then, fine. I come the other side here. Good. No, this one. Good. I fix it again. Here I have this line. Now from here, I come here. I increase the span. It must be at least slightly more than, what's that, sort of 3/4 way here. More than half. I fix again. So need again another arc here and another arc down there. The arc down here. Good. Here. Then I change. My span is still fixed there. Right. Good. I cross this arc again. Next, come to this other point, end point. Want to another arc here. Now I'm repeating the same thing. So still on this other point, right? I need another arc which right here. So I need to extend this one here so that it actually cuts. Right. There it goes. So done. Take your ruler. The line must start from here to that point right here. So again, this is another perpendicular bisect of this line. If I am to refer it to this line AB, line segment AB, right, passing through point P. P now becomes the sort of midpoint of AP. So those are, that's all about bisecting a given line segment. Right, let me note now. Next, what do you want to do here? Want to bisect a given angle. Right, so any given angle, start with a straight line. Then don't need to measure the angle, just a straight line. Want to bisect this angle, so here for our compass here, it's here, right, fixed here, and fix it right to here. Let me fix now. So from here I now create my angle. So I want to bisect this angle, come to this point, you create another arc here, move on to this other point, you create another arc here. Right, done. Then with your ruler, come here. You can use your ruler, this ruler, but so since I have a straight line, there is no need wasting my time here trying to right here. Right here. Good. My ruler. Right. That's my perpendicular bisect of this line, of this given angle. If you are to refer it to as angle theta, it was angle what? Theta. So we have bisected a given angle. Then the different types of angles, that is your homework. Next, we need to be able to copy any angle. So I'm going to create another angle here. We have this angle. This angle. Don't need to measure it, just want to copy it to the next side here. So I can come here, want to translate it to, that is moving it to here. Then next, what do I do? Come here with my compass. I want to, this is the angle. I come here again, this point, my compass. Create an arc there. Good. So first I'm marking this distance here. This distance I'm marking here is the same. So next I come here and now want the angle. And fix here. To measure this angle, good. I fix it here. Let me fix, good. Then I move it to here, this point. So you see what happened? I am here and here. It is exactly the same angle, this one. So now you can use a ruler, whatsoever, but I have this line segment which I can take straight away. I have the same angle. So I have managed to copy that angle. Don't know the degrees here. Right, there we are. What is the angle there? Just around what? Between, we are measuring going this way, around 128. Then I can take my compass again here. See, exactly the same angle, 128 somewhere here. Fine, so I have managed to copy a given angle. Next, we may need to construct a parallel line that passes through a given point, but given point not on the line. So I have this line here, which I can just label line AB. And then I have a point here. So I want to construct a parallel line which passes through this point, which is parallel to AB, line AB. Right? So what do I do here? No problem. And this point, I want it to pass through that point P. Alright. Let me, so that it becomes clear that this is the point P. Avoid point P. So I want a parallel line which is parallel to AB but passing through this point P. So what do I do now? Right, there we are. Move my canvas here. Right, here, good. I can take this angle. It's good for me. I'm fixing it here. It's copying an angle. It's more like repetition. I copy the angle. Come here. Exactly. This point. I copy the angle again. Right. Here. I want to copy the angle. I'm copying it, but it's now outside, not inside. I come here again. Or here. Fix this. I want to have this put there. I fix it. Then you come to this far end here, right? Come here. All right. What happened here? A parallel line which passes through this given point. It is still the same angle there. Right here. Fine. Let me increase that angle, which is this one. Here. Right. Good, I fix it. Take it here now. Still need it here, sort of here. I'm now more likely complete circle, right? Take it here, good, and fix at this angle, fix it, then I move here to this one. I draw another arc here. You see what I did here? I have taken this angle here and copied it to here. It's the same angle. So next, just draw a line from this point passing through this point. I have this line segment. It's parallel to AB. So I can label it as A prime, line A prime, B prime is parallel to line AB. You see, that is line A prime, B prime, parallel to line AB. So we have managed to construct a line parallel to line AB. Then the next thing, next exercise that we may be interested in is we want to divide a line. Into proportional parts, equal proportional parts. So how do I do this? I clear this one. I start again. The line segment.